how to turn on presenter notes in Canva. So it's very easy and it's quite useful. Now here we have a presentation. Let's say we're gonna go in presentation. You're recording yourself because you can record, and this can be helpful. So I can click on here present, and here you have present view. I can click on present now, and don't want this right now, but you can present this by, you can have notes here. So while you present, you have all the notes here, and you can click on present full screen. Now you can present full screen, and now you can look for here and show timer. Also has some timer here, but no, that's not. Basically this is the add page, and basically from here notes will be displayed in presenter view. So as I said here, if you click on presenter, you select presenter view, and notes will be displayed here. View your notes and upcoming slides. You just need to add your notes here. All you have to do is just go to notes there, and then you can record. You can even record some of this. So you can go to here, present and record, if you want to also record while you're talking about presenting your presentation, and you have some notes on this side. So this can be quite useful and helpful, so you can create some nice presentations. But you can alter your notes. You can use ChatGPT to get some ideas to add your notes, or just think to yourself what I have to talk about in this slide. There's some, we can ask some questions, add some questions here, which will remind you to not miss something and some topics that you have to cover. Very helpful. And that's about it. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.